I am never confident in that sense. In the sense that I know that you have to be very careful to keep everyone as part of the administration and in support of the administration, supportive of the administration. And so we are constantly talking to everyone and saying, is this, we are very open in our discussions. And whoever has any kind of grievance or have any kind of complaints and who might be thinking of saying that this is not, we no longer agree with the administration, we always go to them and say, what can we do to accommodate your advocacy or some of the things that they would like the national government to do. And so that's what we are doing. And it is never, it doesn't serve any, it is dangerous for someone in my position to be complacent and to say, don't worry, everybody. Kung may reklamo, bukas naman kami. Sige, magreklamo kayo, sabihan nyo sa amin. If it's something that we have to attend to, we will. Because we try to listen to everyone. And so that's the only way. That's the only real way that you can keep the support of people in different sectors. So when you ask me how confident I am, all I can say is that in our assessment, we are still very much, the administration is still very much on solid ground in terms of support from the different sectors of society. However, we work very hard to continue to earn that support from them. We know that because they voted for you in the last election, that nothing will change. Hanggang kamatayan, yan na yun. Hindi naman ganun yan. Politics is a very variable, very volatile exercise. And so what I can say is that we are confident that the important sectors of society, the power centers of society and of the administration are very supportive still of the advocacies of the administration, the programs of the administration. And we will continue to work very hard to make sure that we are doing what people want. And that's the most important thing. So, yeah, that's the long answer to that.
Thank you, Mr. President.